Hi, my name is Chang. This video is designed for beginner Blue Moon speakers. In this video, we will go over the 4 consonants in the Blue Moon language. The consonant sounds are da, 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 nya, 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 pa, 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 blah, 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 ka, 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 cha, 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 ta, 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 ja, 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 za, 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 sha, sha, sha. Let's go over once more. Da, nya, ha, blah, ka, cha, ta, ja, za, sha. Please join me in the upcoming video to learn more about the Blue Moon consonants. Thank you. Bye-bye.